All right, guys, today I'm going to be working on the study guide with you guys to kind of show you just how to do these problems, so follow along with me. All right, so number one, we're going to subtract 11 from both sides. And we're going to get, okay, 7 minus 11, that is negative 4, equals 2x. I'm then going to divide by 2, x equals negative 2 for that one. All right, here, I always start with the smaller x, or the smaller variable, so I'm going to subtract 3a from both sides. I'm going to get 3 equals 2a minus 9. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. I'm going to get 2a equals 12. I'm going to divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Sweet. All right, 2y plus, let's see, 3 times y is 3y, and 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So I get 2y plus 3y minus 3 equals 27. 5y minus 3 equals 27. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 5y equals 30. Divide by 5. 30 divided by 5, y equals 6. Nice simple one. All I have to do is do the opposite of dividing by 4, multiply by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. X equals 8. Okay, here's another one, right? So we're going to have this plus 3. I'm going to minus 3 from both sides. And then I'm going to have 1b divided by 2 equals 7. The opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2. So we're going to get b equals 7 times 2, which is 14. 5.610, all right, I'm going to start with this. I'm going to go 3.6h minus 3.6h. 3.6 minus 2, 5.6 minus 3 is 2h plus 10 equals 22. Subtract 10, I'm going to get 2h equals 12. 12 divided by 2, h equals 6. Tina's solving the linear equation. Her final two steps are blank. She gets 5 equals 9. That's broken. Broken math. That means there's going to be no solutions if that is the case, so it's not that. There is no solutions since 5 equals 9. All right, select all the equations or inequalities that has the answer x equals 4 as a solution. So we're going to do these problems and see where we end up. Okay, so that means if I solve these real quick, if I get the answer x equals 4, or I could plug it in. I could go 4 minus 6 equals negative 2. That would work. Or you can solve them if you get x equals 4. However you want, I'm going to solve them. So if I add 6, x equals 4, that's one of them. If I divide by negative 3, x equals 1 over negative 3, that's not 1. The opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4, so I times by 4, I get x equals 4, that's one of them. 2x minus 10 equals 3, I'm going to add 10, I get 2x equals 13, divided by 2, x equals 6.5, nope. 24x divided by 6, equals 6. I divide both sides by 24. X equals 6/24, which is 1/4. That's not 1. X minus 2 equals 2. I'm going to add 2. X equals 4. That's 1. So 3 answers there. All right, determine whether the equation has one solution, no solution, or infinite solutions. Okay, one, none, or infinite. So 6x minus 24 minus x equals 6x plus 4. Well, 6x minus x is 5x minus 24 equals 6x plus 4. Subtract 5x from both sides. I'm going to then have negative 24 equals 1x plus 4. I minus 4. I get 1x equals negative 28. So x equals negative 28. That is a one solution answer. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 minus x is negative 7x equals negative 7x minus 21 minus 4. So I'm going to do the math here, right? So I'm going to get 21 minus 7x equals negative 7x minus 25. I'm going to add 7x to both sides. I'm going to get 21 equals negative 25. That's broken. Right, it's broken, so no solutions there. This was a normal solution, normal math. That was broken math. Let's keep going here. We get 3x plus 15. Remember, I'm going 3 times 1 and 3 times 5 equals 3x plus 9 plus 6. 3x plus 15 equals 3x plus 15 minus 3x from both sides. So I see that they're the same. That's perfect math. So that is infinite solutions. Every answer is going to work. Infinite answers, infinite solutions is the fancy way to say it. And one more here. 2 times 4 is 8x. 2 times 2 is 4 plus x equals 9x minus 4. It's 9x plus 4 equals 9x minus 4. They look the same, but they're not, right? Because if I subtract 9x, I get 4 equal to negative 4. That doesn't work, right? So that is broken. No solutions. No solutions there. Okay, going to this one. For each of this, equation indicate whether the equation has no solution, one solution, or infinitely many solutions. 4x plus 13, 4x minus 13. The x's will cancel out. 13 equals negative 13. Nope, no solution. This one becomes 4x plus 8. If I add them all up, I get 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8, 4x plus 8. There's infinite solutions because they're the same. And then 4 minus 2x equals 2x minus 4. So if I added 2x, I'd have 4x. If I added 4, I'd have 8. At 4x equals 8. X equals 2. That's one solution there. Also, use Desmos to check your answer. Type those in, right? Okay. Eric makes $6 per hour as a server at a restaurant plus tips he receives. 1 week he makes $250 in tips and his total earnings for the week are $514. He would like to know how many hours he worked for the week. Okay, so he made $6 per hour. We don't know how much he makes per hour though. Right, so that's a 6x plus the $250. 6x, so he worked $6 where he gets this plus $250 right there. That is saying he gets $6 for every hour plus the $250. No, that's wrong. There it is. $6 for every hour plus the 250 tips, 514, right? So 6x plus 250 equals 514. Subtract 250 from both sides. 6x equals 514 minus 250. I'm terrible at mental math. I'm going to go 514 minus 250. I get 264. 264 divided by 6. X equals 44. He worked 44 hours that week. Okay, I had to simplify that problem down, so now here's the actual problem that'll be on your version. So let's get to multiplying. 4x plus 12 plus 5x equals 8x plus 2 to 24 equals, because it's actually 2 times 4x plus 12, my bad guys, and that becomes an 8x, and that becomes a 24. Plus 24. Okay, so now we got to combine like terms. We get 9x plus 12 equals 8x plus 24 minus 8x for both sides. We get 1x plus 12 equals 24. And minus 12 from both sides, we get 1x equals 12. X equals 12. All right, this is one of those big nasty ones, just for fun of it. Why not? Okay. Solve the following. Let's get rid of parentheses first. We've got to go 2 times x to get 2x, 2 times 1 to get 2, 4 times x to get 4x, 4 times negative 8, 4 times negative 2 to get negative 8. Now we combine like terms. 5x minus 3x is 2x, plus 4x is 6x, plus 2x is 8x. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. And now 5x plus 4x is 9x minus 3x. 5 plus 4 is 9 minus 3 is 6x. 3 minus 8 is negative 5 plus 7 is 2. All right, so I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. I get 8x equals 6x plus 1. I'm going to subtract 6x. I'm going to get 2x equals 1. I'm going to divide by 2. X equals 1/2. Just have to combine like terms. Good job.